Hi, this video is about how to do the harmonic motion graphs assignment if you missed it earlier. So the easiest thing to think about, first of all, is we're looking at two different things. Looking at the amplitude of the graph, and we're looking at what's called a period or a cycle. There is an explanation up here about amplitude. The simple way to think about amplitude is that it is the distance from zero. So have a little just on this example, it goes, the highest point is 20, the lowest point is 20. That makes the amplitude 20. Sorry, I'm going to get my pen ready here. I should have had that ready already. This one has an amplitude of 20, and in this case, it is measured in centimeters. So this would be 20 centimeters for the amplitude. The period is a time, and so we'll be looking at the x-axis. It is defined as the time for one cycle, and a cycle is one complete motion. The way you would find that on a graph is you would look for a spot and find the exact same spot on the next part of the graph. So in this case, you could say one period would be from here to here. But that isn't the only place you would find a period. You would also find one from here, from here to here. Or I could go from the bottom. Sorry, that's supposed to be on the bottom. It's hard to do with my finger. I'll zoom in a little. From here to here would also be one period. It doesn't matter which spot you take because they'll all give you the same amount of time, because outlining a cycle looks like this, and then the period is how much time did that take. Well, if this, for example, the one I have started right here, this is 0.75 seconds, and this is 2.25 seconds. So for the period, you would take 2.25 minus 0.75, and you would get 1.50, and notice down on the bottom it says seconds. And so this would be what's called the period. And it'll be the same process for every single graph. If we go down, I'll even do the first one here. The amplitude on this one, again, the amplitude goes this way. And I can see that it goes up to 5 and down to -5. So my amplitude is 5. And it's in degrees this time. Oops, I almost put centimeters. It says degrees. You can either put the word degrees or the little degree sign. The period is, again, I find one spot and I go exactly to the exact same spot on the next wave. One thing I did not point out is that you have to be very careful. If you're not going to use the top or the bottom, let's say you decide to use the spot right here, the period does not go to here. That is not correct, because I have to go all the way down, all the way up, and then I have to be coming back down to right there to have a cycle. The reason I point out that there's multiple ways is because sometimes there's an easier spot and a harder spot. In this one, it would be very easy to just go, oh, here, starts here, ends here, here's my cycle. So that's number 2, outline one cycle. And then it says, what's the period? Oh, well, it started at 0, it went to 1. So the period of this one is 1 second.